30 seconds to go. Clutterbuck. Oh, Boeser's hurt here. He went to hit Clutterbuck. And the Canuck bench saw what happened. I didn't. And Clutterbuck's pleading his case, but it was Boeser initiating the contact.
Well, I think the door was open.
Oh, I see. That can be dangerous.
And here's Brock Boeser backing in, and you can see Jake Virtanen's going off and
right on the tailbone.
Right on the tailbone in the edge of the door.
Yikes. Oh, man. We saw this happen to Daniel Sedin at the World Championships one year in the final game. He was all right, but Boeser is clearly in some discomfort here, and they'll be careful. I mean, it is around the back area.
Yes.
Did roll him over, and John Sanderson checking in obvious agony on the face of Brock Boeser. It was just an unfortunate play.
You're right. Jake Virtanen was changing, and Brock Boeser was trying to hit Cal Clutterbuck on his way off. There's Clutterbuck coming out, and you see Virtanen's going off, and Brock Boeser's trying to hit Clutterbuck.
Fans voicing their displeasure, but it's hard to issue faults in this
really. And Cal Clutterbuck, who everybody knows plays that kind of game, that you'd think, okay, there's a hit somewhere, but there wasn't. Travis Green looking on, and it looks like Brock Boeser is going to be able to get up on his own with the help of his teammates.
Troy Stetcher's there, Michael Delzano,
John Sanderson.
Now he's not putting any weight in his left leg, John. That's not what we were ultimately worried about with the way he went in, but there's no weight being put on that left leg of Brock Boeser.
And now he's getting John Sanderson to use as a crutch.
It is a very slow trip to the medical room, and you can imagine what's going through the minds of all three of these people. Trevor Linden, Jim Benning, Travis Green, as their star rookie hobbles his way down the tunnel.